Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and 0x80040154. So when you open any app, so coming that error. So how to resolve? First step, guys, click to start button, go click to setting. Then guys, click to Windows Update and please check any KB series, any update, and your system driver also showing pending, like showing error type. So you can download and install and restart. Properly download and install and then restart, then again check. Okay. Next solutions. Again click to Windows icon, setting, scroll down, in system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, scroll down, Windows App Store, click to run and please wait few minutes. Wait for purpose and complete to apply only reconnect and to fix. And checking registry, starting bits, and then close. This is also close. And guys, if you're using like antivirus and McAfee, Quickkill, and like different types of antivirus available, and you using, so please temporary purpose for testing, right click to disable. Okay. And next and final step, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage, like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay. So all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay. And that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay. So almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay. Yeah. And then enter. Okay. Now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.